Hi, today I'm going to explain how you can increase your deposit 3 times by using one simple indicator. Watch carefully and make money with me. Do you want to trade more confidently? I made access to my Telegram channel free so that you can get the most accurate signals out there, exclusive strategies for my followers, and regular live streams where you get a chance to make money with me. Follow the link in the description right now and become a part of the successful trading community. Hello my dear friends, y'all have probably watched tons of videos where bloggers and traders with enormous account balances trade on different platforms using certain strategies, telling you how easy it is to make money. But what can those people do whose initial deposit physically cannot be that large in the first place? Those who just, can't invest more right now. Today we're gonna try to accelerate our deposits starting at $500, reaching for some, more or less decent sum. I'm gonna show you one strategy that works really well literally everywhere, no matter the platform you're using. Well, in this video we're working with this platform. So today we're only gonna need one single indicator and essentially some knowledge of support and resistance levels. Obviously, I'll get into details throughout the process. We will make sure to discuss and recall the most important stuff once again. So even if you have no clue what's going on here in trading, I'm sure this video is going to be highly helpful for you to figure things out. So first and foremost, we're going to want to add the CCI indicator in the indicators list. Just click on it and we're done. We can feel free to make the main line a bit bolder, and we can, I guess, stretch the indicator out in order to see it, clearer a bit. So this indicator is based off of the same operating principle as RSI, however, it's a tiny bit quicker. Thereby, whenever the price approaches an important area, just like it does at the moment, by the way, there's this area that represents support, which is therefore definitely some kind of a high interest area. Additionally, we're getting signal, we're paying attention to the oscillator state and making sure it's currently in the oversold chart condition area if we want to place a trade upwards. So for instance, this green candle has just appeared, which is a nice opportunity for us to enter upwards. Let's analyze the case locally. So there is a level right here. We can tell it by the shadow which appeared due to the initially falling candle rising back up at some point, Basically, it used to be this kind of a candle, but then buyers took over the market at some point and bought, so to say, the price back up, the whole market, so to say, until the chart found itself in this condition. So there's first of all this level of prices just bounced off of, plus the CCI indicator was at the level of 100 negative. Basically, these 100 and minus 100 numbers are critical values we watch out for. We might as well use areas valued as 150 and minus 150. That would be a more reliable decision, to be honest. However, the thing is, we would get way less amount of signals in that case. So I hope it's clear why we're using the 100. So this signal has finally closed, the candle ended up green, and yep, we were right. So the market started rising, creating the beginning of a reversal, and we made a nice profit off of it. The first trade closed the profit, getting us around $139. Let's carry on. So guys, we're waiting for this candle to settle. To be honest, I'm really on the verge of clicking the up button right now. Literally 2 seconds are left till the candle settles and we will be free to hit it. So what's going on here? An absolutely identical case. However, the last time there was a support area and the market bounced off of its top water, while in this case the price has gone a bit further down, but the next candle ended up green anyway, which means we got the reaction we had expected. Moreover, taking a glance at the bottom border of the indicator, we can see it currently displays an oversold chart condition. So let's wait. Yep, amazing. The market finally showed a proper bias reaction, and I'm sure we will get a profit off of this trade. Let's see. Downward trades work by the same principle. However, if that's the case, we want the CCI indicator to be higher than the area of 100. Then we've made a deal at the resistance level. So we're getting the second profit. Let's carry on. So guys, we're dealing with quite a similar situation here. We're not increasing the deal amount just yet. The sum is currently valued at $200, placing the trade downwards. Look, we need the horizontal line. Here it is. We're gonna add it real quick, placing it right here, approximately through the previous successive highs that may be represented by either shadows or candle bodies. Basically, we can feel free to draw a line both this way according to the candle bodies and this way through their shadows. Essentially, both ways are correct. So, but it's just that we can see the body of this candle right here appears a bit higher, but face the resistance level anyway. Also, look at our CCI indicator. It's currently above the 100 area, and it was in overbought condition at the moment. The trade is there by downwards. We've just proved it, and I guess we're gonna get a profit anytime soon. Incredible. Let's move on. Another identical case. We can see this level right here just as well. Sellers have put lots of pressure on the price. However, this candle shadow appeared right here, which indicates a powerful buyer's presence on the market who are ready to push the price back up. And what's going on the indicator? Let's see. Yep, perfect alignment. Let's wait for the result. So another successful trade. The next candle ended up green. Let's carry on. So my darlings, here's a case which I sure hope will be the last one for today, as we've almost reached the desired goal. There's another tiny horizontal level that's occurred to the price, reaching the last successive low. Here's that low value. It's right here. We can draw a line right here. And yeah, the chart did go a little further around this point. However, this candle is relatively small, and when the market situation consists of a rapid falling candle followed by another tiny one, the next candle normally ends up rising, hence green. The indicator was also in oversold condition. We're capturing the growth I told you about. All the signals worked out perfectly in this video, guys. We did such an amazing job today. We're soon to get another profit, meaning our deposit has been increased over 3 times in literally like 10 minutes. And that's the result of an effortless trading work with no complicated analysis whatsoever. And the market indeed helped us today. I would say it was easy to predict. So if you want to trade with me relying on similar signals we used today, follow the link in the description right now. I'm hosting another free trading session on the channel real soon. Looking forward to seeing you there, guys. Bye bye. See you very soon.